How's it going, everyone? Come on in.
Oh, those are the big kids.
I know, huh? So what is there, 10 people coming?
Oh, so this is cool.
Do you girls like to garden?
Yes.
Yeah.
My grandma lives in Idaho.
Oh, yeah?
Well, I live in Spokane, Washington.
Oh, cool. So you're visiting, huh?
Yeah.
Don't lose that. Put it in your pocket.
See you later. Nice to meet you.
And have you planted anything here in this garden yet?
No. Yeah. Yeah.
You did plant something? What did you
Good.
I planted
Hey, how's it going?
this rose.
Oh, some are coming back for
You planted the rosemary?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hi, how are
Do you
you?
think it's doing
Good.
well?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I don't know.
7,
I
8.
think it needs some water.
Needs water? It looks happy.
The rosemary? This
Yeah,
stuff looks
she
really
planted
healthy.
the rosemary.
Who did? You did? Awesome. Look at that's one of the healthiest things in the garden. What do you guys think plants need to be healthy?
Water.
Water and?
Sunlight.
And soil and sunlight, exactly. So 2 out of 3 ain't bad today, right? Which one do we not have a lot of? Sun, exactly. Well, we have seeds, and why don't we, a few general things. When walking in the garden, it's your guys' garden, but we help set it up to show you. You can walk where it's, see along the hoses, it's all fluffed up and nice, and in the middle where it's dry, and a little bit harder, we can walk through these parts, okay?
And because if you think about it, these are the what for the seeds. These are their beds. Do you want people walking on your bed with your shoes and mashing you down while you're in it? No. So that's why we don't walk in the hose area.
But we can walk in between, and we can see a lot of the plants, but we planted some seeds. So just be aware that you're not walking because there's all seeds planted underneath here.
Right here.
But we wanted you guys to help us plant some seeds. Do you want to?
Yeah. Woo.
Okay. So should we divide up? Do we have about 10 here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get 1, 2, 3 over here. You guys want to help me? And you guys split up amongst us.
Weren't you just out here?
Yeah. You can come this way
one.
and take one. She was with us in our activity.
I'll take these 3 girls right here. Now
And
where are
I'll
you going
take
to
these
sit?
3 girls right here.
Right in the middle.
All right. So
Perfect.
what
Now
we
come on
have these nice big
So we
seeds.
kind of fluffed up this a little bit, but you want to fluff it up a little bit more. So you can come stand right here. You just want to make sure there's no...
Okay. And
Here, I'll
these are
stand
gonna, they're kind of
And
like
now you can
pumpkins.
stand. There you go. Now.
And they grow
Bend over
really
and just kind of
big.
fluff. See how there's
So we
that
come on in
vigorous
here and
energy.
walk
You
along
wanna
this
cramp
path.
into it. We
Path,
want some
guys.
room to store.
Anywhere you can walk in here too.
What do you think?
And
Exactly.
so what
you
the
gotta fluff it
seeds
up.
all like is really nice fluffy soil. So do you guys want to get a little dirty and just break up some of these clumps? And we also, a good indicator is if you see any worms, that means the soil is very healthy. Oh, did I just
saw a
see
worm.
There's one. A little one.
There's another one.
Oh, there's another one right there.
All right, well
found a
let's
worm.
take a
You know what
look.
that
We want to
means?
really loosen it up here.
Soil is awesome.
You don't
don't
want to
wanna
get
touch
dirty?
it?
That's fine. I'll do a little loosening. And
Oh, jeez.
haha.
Go on, Sally. You can always wash your hands.
Do you know why they're good for the garden?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, but I was putting pressure on them.
Oh, you're fine.
So if you,
Yeah, so
you
toss
guys
the
have a
rocks
garden
over
at
there.
Home? Anyone have a garden at home?
Yeah.
Do you, Bella? Have a garden?
Yeah? Fun.
The area.
And
And guess what?
there we go. So this looks nice, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
Some animals' poop is not beneficial for the garden, but worm poop is really awesome. They're called castings. Okay, so good, fluffy. All right, so we are gonna dig a hole, and we're planting gourds. You guys know what gourds are? They're kind of like pumpkins, hard squash.
Yeah,
Okay.
they make like maracas sometimes out of them.
Exactly.
Great.
So we're gonna make a hole, and do you think we're gonna put one seed?
That's perfect.
Several.
Yeah, several. Why?
Let's
Why would you put
do
several?
2 in
I'm gonna
each
take a
hole.
couple. Pick the seeds, the ones that you think. All right.
That's right. They like
Give them a little kiss or a blessing or something.
You want to dig one?
Make a hole right here, and we're only planting one because these plants are huge.
So this,
So
you girls can walk
right
this
about
way.
there. Everyone put their seeds in the hole.
Gourd will pop up. Nice, big, and leafy, but
Perfect.
it's going
And
to
then we're
need
just gonna put her.
water.
Perfect.
And if you guys ever come out here and you see
Easy
little
as pie.
weeds growing, we'll clean them up. But
The other thing that's important while you guys,
this
you know, in the
time
next couple
week,
weeks,
we'll
that
see
you don't
some
want
seeds.
You don't want big hard clumps. If you find it's a rock, then just kind of move it out of the way.
Okay, good.
But some of these are really
I will come
soft
back
dirt.
too, and we'll take a look. But everything in the front.
Do you guys know what gourds look like? And they go really big. They'll take up this whole area right here.
Really?
Yeah.
You can like draw it.
Girls.
We're going to plant those over here. How are we
Beans,
doing?
we planted gourds, and we found a worm.
You want to do some seeds in here? We gotta do
And a little bit
anyone
of
want to help
dirt.
lead?
Why do you have to put several seeds in there?
Oh, there you go. It's a sturdy one. But watch it out. This is
You guys
all
think
my
why you have to put several seeds? What makes sense?
Good job. Okay, go ahead and
You
do
guys
one more.
know why you put
Step
several
right there.
seeds?
So let's do.
What if you just planted one and then you
Yeah,
weren't
yeah.
sure
Why
if it
don't
was
you
gonna
let somebody
grow?
else do the hole and then you can
When
plant
we
the
did the
seed this
sunflowers
time,
over here,
yeah?
we put about
Right
3.
about here. Right about here.
And then
And
what
you
do you
can
think you're going to
step
do
right
if they
here.
all start growing in the hole?
We don't want to
maybe
step
just
on the
pull
dirt
one or two
because
out.
then
Come
it
over
will
here on this part and I'll show you the
tight,
carrots.
and then it doesn't allow it to grow.
Because you guys apparently planted these carrot seeds. See how many are going right now?
Wow.
So in a little bit, when they get a little bit bigger, you can see, then you just kind of pull a
My
couple out
grandma
and then
has
you'll
carrots. My grandma has corn, and she has pumpkins. She has
And you can step right
grapes.
here. Step with the dirt.
Did you help her plant them?
There you go. And then turn over. And
She planted like 3 pumpkin things, because for one for me and my other 2 cousins.
And we'll do one last one over here.
Let's look at the sign.
Right there.
They're cucumbers.
Do you want to
What
try
does it
these
say?
at home?
Cucumbers.
Oh. Mexican, what?
There you go.
Sour.
Gherkin.
It says cucumbers.
And sometimes
Okay, what's that?
that is some sort of seed
Okay, so look how close I'm going to
tree that have fallen in here, so you can just kind of put them over there or something.
And actually, I think we're going to do the same thing on the inside.
And if there's weeds, what do you guys think? We come and spray them with spray? Kill them?
No.
No.
You pull
What
them
should we
out.
do?
Pull them out.
Yeah. So like right here,
Because the spray will kill all
there's
the
a
other
little
plants
bitty
too.
weed next to this plant, so you might want to pull that. Over here looks like another
I
one.
love your bracelets too.
What is this?
Yeah.
Flash blend
This
sunflower.
side and this side both? Or just in the front of the...
Just one because they're pretty big.
Okay.
They need to be like 6 inches apart. Is that-
Okay. Yeah, we did that.
I think that makes sense, but
can't
whatever you like.
Maybe a
Okay.
couple more?
Sure, of course.
Okay, we'll do a couple more.
Okay, how's that look
Are
pretty
these
even?
right here weeds?
Now we need to cover it real
Do
lightly.
you see some weeds?
Like that.
Go for it if you see them. Yeah.
Ooh. What are these going to be?
Green weeds?
Better to
Green
get them where
beans,
they're small.
exactly.
Green beans
And
are
if you
good.
find a rock and a relief, what do you do? Throw it out. So throw it out. I see a rock right there.
And I see a leaf too.
I see a rock.
Oh yeah, the leaves. That's also really.
And how do you give love to the soil?
We love it.
And you love it, and you like put it in your hands, you make it nice and lovey and fluffy.
Yeah, you eat it.
That's perfect.
Excellent work. She did great. No, you're perfect. Love your shoelaces too, by the way, Stella.
Hi, Rachel. What do you say?
Cover it up. You want to cover it up with your hands?
Okay, you guys.
Nice.
What do we think? Are you guys gonna give this some water and make sure it comes up?
Yeah.
And are we gonna eat beans in a few weeks?
Are you gonna? Do you like beans, Bella? Do you like beans, Stella? Stella, Bella, beans.
Awesome.
I like. Thank you guys for walking on the white part. Or the
Yeah.
red
Yeah,
part.
these girls are doing a great job.
Awesome.
But you don't want to step by the hose.
So now we did the beans.
So is this the last group or?
This is the last group.
Okay.
So let's do it all.
Okay. Let's see. Where do I have some space left? We did the gourds here. And we
This
do have
bed's
space
open.
here. You guys want to do more of these beans?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do them right over here.
Okay, step right there. See that?
There you go. You can see it now, right? Which one's dry? Okay. Did anything go in here?
We should
Not
buy
yet.
like crocks.
Do you want to do another?
for the kids.
Now
Yeah, I
they,
could.
Yeah, because this is open
So
as
they.
well.
Okay, Anna.
Yeah?
Do you have room for one more group?
For one more group?
Yeah.
Maybe right there.
Well, we haven't planted anything over there,
We
so
have
you
room
can
for another group. Is there any more kids?
Yeah. No, I think that's all of them. I think all the
Okay.
kids have gone. Well, not all of the kids. The ones that want to participate.
And we'll do
Well, let's just
one more right
You want to see if there's one more group?